To install Power BI Desktop into your system, just go to your taskbar and click on this search option and search for Microsoft Store. If you go to the Microsoft Store, and here you will see your search bar. Here, search for Power BI. If you search it over here, you will see Power BI Desktop. Just go to this option and you will see install button over here. Just click on this install button and it will start downloading your Power BI Desktop. It will take some time to get it installed. Once it gets installed, you will see the open button over here. To open the Power BI Desktop, you can directly click on this open button, or you can go to your search bar and search for Power BI, and you will see Power BI Desktop here. If you click over here, you will see Power BI Desktop will get open. So this is how you can install the Power BI Desktop into your system.